but here in the kitchen, I got my epic troll face shirt. I'm gonna get my meat cleaver. I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'm gonna put it in my bag, and we're gonna skate out, and I'm gonna try to go find some food. I have a vague understanding of some wild plants that are edible, and yeah, so and then I'm gonna come back to the house and I'm gonna try to prepare a meal and use some plants as seasoning and salads and stuff. And, yeah, so stay around. Alright, this is where I'm gonna be hunter-gathering food in this like creek. Yeah, trust me, it's not this park, this is the front area, you know. Am I covering the camera? What's going on? Oh, I was super zoomed in. Okay, anyway. It's hard times here, you know, no one's got a job. There's a virus epidemic, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, it's quite inspirational if you ask me. I think that the overall lesson you should learn today is that when you're presented with rough times, you gotta pull through, and you know, you find that plant, you eat that plant, you cut that bark, you do what you gotta do. And yeah. Are these edible? They're spiky, probably not. This plant looks friendly. Here, I think I took a picture of something I saw online. The plants are edible. Yeah, never mind. No, these are not the edible plant I was looking for. I will keep searching. So there's a lot of people around, so I won't do it yet, but I did just find a very like juicy tree I would describe. Can you eat moss? Oh, what's this? What is this? Some kind of berry. Not squirting juice. I mean, I'll take a tiny lick. Oh, it's actually kind of good. Oh fuck. Yeah, and I think I see a few more of them on the floor. Are they from this plant? Does this plant grow stuff? I'm kind of dumb. I'm bad at foraging, I think. Chop off like tree, like bark from pine trees. But I'll just try on one of these anyway. So I could totally make one of those like old YouTube POV videos, you know? This is hard. Oh, never mind. Is this the sweet? Yo, I think this is the stuff. Yeah. Oh, never mind. Maybe this was a good tree. I'm just gonna try to put some in my mouth. Tastes kind of bad, actually. Meat cleaver. I could kill someone if I wanted. Yeah. I found this, I'll put it back, I found this rock, there's a heart on it. It says Black Lives Matter. I know, just thought that was a cool. I think these little things are edible, so I'll pick some of those, you know. I know for sure the dandelions are pretty edible. So maybe, oh, ooh, I think these are edible too. Hold up. I think these. Here, I'll check my sheet I have on my phone. And I just like bit into it to try it, and it slightly burnt my tongue, so maybe not. Pick those. I don't think those are edible. Okay, so apparently I'm leaving now. I've been here many times. I searched this entire thing. There's apparently Mexican elderberries. I don't know. I don't know. I know there's frogs here, but there's not bobcats and mountain lions. There's not. Berries my ass. Let's go! Let's go! I found one. Fuck, dude. All my these white ones are edible too, right? These count as dandelions. Hey, P, get the fuck out of here. Hey, this is my turf. I found these. On my own. Should I try one? These are kind of fire. Granted, I just realized that a dog probably could have pissed on these. Alright, I've been mining at this tree, and I finally found the nice yummy innards of the tree trunk. This is what I'm supposed to find. So I'm trying to get some of this and go back home and try to see if I can clean this, because this might be ruined. Alright, so I made it back. I'm back to the apartment, and I have all my herbs and bark and stuff in there. I'm gonna get my workspace ready. I think how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna maybe try to boil the bark and then like cook it on a pan with oil and then use the other leaves. Oh no, I'll figure it out. Alright, here's all of our stuff. Kinda looks good a little bit. I kind of regret grabbing this squishy red weird stuff because it's not that good, and it kind of, the chunks got a little bit other food.
Con le canzoni, con amore, con il cuore, con più donne, sempre meno suore. Buongiorno Italia, buongiorno Maria, con gli occhi pieni di malinconia. Buongiorno Dio.
Okay, so this has been boiling for a while. I'm gonna open this up into my spice cabinet. Let's get some salts and peppers. I swear I had tahini.
Lasciatemi cantare, perché ne sono fiero. Sono un italiano vero.
I feel like garlic would be good on pine meat. So I'll sprinkle a little. That's a lot more than what I was going for. Alright, so we're making garlic. I guess I might as well get it covered. Alright. I feel like the trick to this would be a lot of seasoning. To kinda. What about honey? Should we. Wait, I already put garlic. I shouldn't put honey. I'll just put some classic salt. Oh yeah, I forgot. FAQ on the television. There you go. Alright. I guess let's get started. Let's start with some of the plants. It's not that bad. I apparently got some honey on these. I actually feel like the honey, I can't really tell what the honey did. I feel like with the plant specifically, it's not that bad. Now it's time for the main attraction. Fuck, I can't even pierce it. The bark. Damn, the bark's actually good. It might just be because I'm eating the spices I put on it. But I mean, the bark is really chewy, but it's also kind of moist. And the garlic definitely helped. I think the garlic was definitely a good decision on my part. So I'm gonna try to have one of my garlic pine strips and dip it in honey. It's kind of like French fries in the worst way possible. It's kind of like French fries in the worst way possible. Oh, I don't know how I feel. Personally, I wouldn't go out of my way to eat this meal. It's very chewy. It takes very long to eat. The preparation is probably the funnest part, actually making it, but eating it, it's meh. It's not terrible. It's actually better than I expected. My take out of this is next time to leave honey on the side, try not to get any of it. I was trying to be fancy and sprinkle it like those cooking shows. Do not sprinkle it on the meal. Also, whatever that red bark was that I got, because it looked a lot more like, you know, meatish in my head. That was definitely that added a bad flavor, so I wouldn't recommend putting that in. As for the dandelions, they're fine. They don't taste like much. I took a lot. Alright guys, thanks for watching my food review. I'll see you next time, and see you later.